buy it again?
Mm-hmm.
Mom!
It's the third time. I'm not gonna lose this one, and you can't even wear it.
I don't even want to wear it. That's the
Crystal Chanel, and I am back with a different kind of video today. As you can see, I'm in my bedroom, and the reason for that is because I have been sorting and cleaning all day long. Now, I promised at the beginning of the year I was going to do a closet sale every single month for you dolls. I've partnered with Poshmark, and I'm about to put all of this in the app. Okay, so if you want to see what it is that's for sale, and I'm gonna give you a true life, like some real life tea about this app. Okay guys, welcome back to my vlog. You know, I have not recorded in forever, partly because I just haven't been in the mood, partly because I really haven't done anything. So I got on this outfit, real casual. Now, if you follow me on Instagram, you may already know the story, but can I just tell y'all real quick about this jacket? It's funny to me because this is my third time buying this jacket. This jacket is from H&M, probably 2015 circa. And the thing is, I bought it, I loved it, like, oh my God, I loved it so much. My daughter wore it one time to school, I never seen it again. She lost it on the bus. So that was the first jacket. Now, lo and behold, this thing called Poshmark. Literally, I used Poshmark sometime to sell my clothes, and something went off in my head was to search H&M Moto jacket. So about 3-4 months ago, I did that and actually found the same exact jacket. It was actually a little bit smaller than the original size that I got, but I still loved it so much, I made it work. Fast forward to just like 3 weeks ago, I wore the jacket one time out the house, and I was a little tipsy with Cinco de Mayo. So I had it hanging from my purse because it was really hot in Charlotte that day. And right before I left the venue where I was, I noticed it was gone. So yes, I lost my favorite jacket the second time, okay? So of course I was super upset. I was upset for like 3 days over it, and if something said, girl, just get back on that app, search. There's so many people in the world, somebody is selling that jacket. How about I found that jacket 4 more times in several different sizes, the exact same size I had initially, like the first time around. So I went ahead and bought it, and this is the kicker, y'all. Only paid $5 because I had some credits from that app. So well, your girl super excited. When it's meant to be, it's just meant to be, and I am not losing this jacket again. Okay, that's it. I paid $4.98. So I'm like super freaking excited. I have my jacket on all week since I've had it, and can I just tell you that I'm never ever gonna take it off again. Like, I'm always gonna have it on me. Like, I'm never gonna take it off because I do not want to go through this. I do not want to lose my jacket. So that's the behind the scenes real quick of what happens. Again, Poshmark, you can find brands like Adidas, you can find brands like Nike, Louis Vuitton, Gucci, and even if you wanted to purchase one of those name brand items just to make sure you're not getting ripped off, you know for sure that you have an authentic luxury item. If you purchase anything over $500, it gets checked by Poshmark for free. So they will authenticate your luxury good. So when I say there's no risk, there's no risk at all. I decided to go through my clothes, and a lot of these things are new with tags. A lot of these things are in plastic. Like, it's crazy, y'all. So just to give you an example, these jeans I love so much because they fit you really well. They make your booty look really good, and they have these slits. They're really different going all the way down the leg. So this is an example. When you see NWT, that means new with tags, but this is gonna be a pair that I put on there, very stretchy, feels really amazing. All these bathing suits I have tried on with underwear, and a lot of them still have tags. They still have that little marker thingy in here. So I do want you to know you don't have to worry about that. This is like a pretty peachy color, really pretty, and I love how it feels, and I love how it covers your stomach. So this is a bathing suit, just took it out the packaging. It still has that little thing in here, but you see it's like really, really high waist, high string. And you put this, which is really cute. I kind of want to keep this and wear it with like, you know, some shorts or something. Cause you know, I love me a good crop top or good bandeau, honey. So I gotta let it go. So I'm gonna let it go. But basically it all goes together. So this is a bathing suit and then this goes underneath, which is, these colors are really pretty. Oh man, I don't wanna let this one go. I love black and white bathing suits. I think they're really chic. That's why I always pick them. But this one's really cute. It has your stomach out and it's still really good coverage. It's really comfortable. So if you dolls ever tune in to my bathing suit try on hauls, you already know I pick really cute bathing suits and it's just the reality, I have too many. Like, this is a top that I've only worn once and I just thought about it. Like I don't know. I felt like I won't have a lot of wear out of this. So instead of me just having it collect dust inside of my closet, I decided to go ahead and list it. Okay, so look how chic it is, how girly it is. Oh my gosh, I might not give it away. I don't know. This is so pretty on camera. Do you see that? I was so poshy. I was so extra that day I wore this. Like, listen, I was lit. I wore it on a date, okay? I was lit. Dolls, so that is it. I'm telling you, like, I am super excited. Poshmark is out there. You can go ahead, use the link down below, download the app for free, use my code Chrissy the Doll. That way you can go ahead and save some coins off your first order. Now, if you use Poshmark, leave your comment down below with your closet name. We can probably share some things, swap some things. I'm all about that life. But I just had to share that testament with y'all because when I find an item, sometimes if I love it so much, I'll get two of the same item, different color. So the fact that I love this jacket, I found this jacket and then I found my friends and family the same jacket, all for like cheaper prices than what I originally paid, we're winning, okay? So again, I'm going to put the link down below for you to download the app for free yourself. If you don't follow me on Instagram and on Snapchat, be sure that you do that. And my name is @ChrissyTheDoll. I definitely appreciate you dolls for tuning in. Be sure if you don't already subscribe to this channel that you do, and also my fitness and my vlog channels, and I'll put those links down below as well. I want to say thank you dolls so much for your support, and as always, stay fabulous and stay fierce.